Global Internet of Things services market, types, applications, and industry sectors. The report segments the Internet of Things services market by service type, application, company type, and industry sector. Geographical analysis of the market spans over the Americas, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and Africa. Key market players mentioned in this report include HCLTech, Hitachi Vantara, Infosys, Microsoft, Wipro, and more. Global market analysis of Internet of Things services. Product segment analysis of Internet of Things services market. Regional analysis of Internet of Things services market.